Oh, let's do the intro.
Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
No, that didn't slide good.
Try again.
Howdy, how's it going?
Hey!
On today's episode, we're gonna build a door for the entrance right there. So this is where I want to build the door. I don't know actually where to start, how to start. I will figure out. I'm just gonna put the camera on the dash and gonna record time lapse, see how that goes. Look what we got here, baby!
Hey.
So you joined to help your hubby, eh?
Yes, I did 2 loads of laundry. I ate breakfast. I talked to my mother. I did all this stuff, and you put 2 beams up, and all that time that I was doing that, just
Yes.
two little studs of wood. That's it.
Mm-hmm. Exactly.
Wow, baby, you're so productive.
Next thing what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a plywood here.
Is that gonna take another 3 hours?
Maybe. I'm gonna caulk all these things because there's insulation between. I don't want there's any moisture gets in there, so I'm gonna caulk all those things and I'm gonna put plywood on it. Then we're gonna do measurements and build the door. I know, we shouldn't do this inside.
But it's cold.
It's raining outside.
It's raining and it's cold.
And we're from Share. That's how sweet we are. We have some really bad comments. Like, really bad. Well, what you gonna do about it?
But we also have some really nice comments.
Yes.
And positive comments. Thank you guys so much for all the nice and positive comments that you give us. You guys make us smile every day. We love interacting with you guys.
Now, I'm gonna do measurements of the door, length and width, width, and we're gonna build the door. We're gonna build the door. We're gonna build the door, shiny. Ashley plus Roberts sitting in a tree.
A-I-S-S-I-N-G. That's cute.
Imagine, like, we were like living in this one, like, let's say 5-10 years, then we sell it, and then, like, you know, they want to redo something, and then they take this off, and like, oh my god, this was built in 2021, January 15.
It's like time traveling.
That'll be crazy. Sorry, I interrupt you.
This is my moment. We're gonna put some foam board in here and insulate the door.
If you guys remember,
Ceiling.
Sorry, I interrupt you.
Yeah, the ceiling, where we had to cut every individual square because Robert's put all the studs in all different types of shapes and sizes. So we're literally cutting every individual. Well, we have to do the same thing here, except he did it more neat this time. So it should be nice.
Baby. You broke it. No.
You pushed me.
I did.
You did.
Oh, I got this on camera.
You said, baby. You pushed.
Oh.
Oh, get off. Robert.
These pieces are for here. You see? So when you close the door, it's not letting any light through. And I'm gonna put the rubber seal. So when you close it, it's gonna be really sealed up. And you can already hear it's much quieter. Let's open it. Here, you can hear more sound. Let's close it. Less sound. So that's pretty cool. I'm very happy about these doors. The doors are finished. Kinda. Let me show you guys. this is the door. I know it's not perfect. Me and Ashley had some struggle time with it because we didn't have a proper tool, and it's a learning process anyways, but it does the job. I'm very happy. Ashley haven't seen yet because last few days she needed to study. I think she will like it. Anyways, the door took more time than I thought, and that's why I couldn't finish the window cover. So far I got it glued on and screwed on, and next thing needs to go the foam board on it, and then on the foam board it's gonna go black material, and then it's gonna be a beautiful window cover. But that's gonna happen on the next episode because it is Monday and I need to go back to work. Thank you so much guys for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Leave some comment down below what you guys think about the door, and see you on the next one. Bye.